We spent the night here at the Merdeka 118 in a suite on the highest floor. Stick with us as we do a quick room tour and a special surprise. At the base of the Merdeka 118, they are building a mall to complement the world's second tallest building. We are staying at the Park Hyatt in Kuala Lumpur at the world's second tallest building, the Merdeka 118. And when I signed up to get this room, I had requested the highest floor I could get because it was our 32nd anniversary. And as part of that, they gave us a nice spread here to celebrate our anniversary. Sparkling cider and some different snacks and stuff. I'm not even sure what's in here. Wow, that's amazing. Some chocolates. And when you stay here, they go all out. I mean, it is absolutely stunning. It is absolutely stunning here. We end up on the 112th floor at the suite, which is the highest floor they have. And you have a view of Petronas Towers over here. Then you have, but you don't have KL Towers. You have the Petronas Towers over here, and then a beautiful backdrop of all the mountains in the city. This is our seating area. Our bedroom. Along with our bathroom. And I don't know if you've watched my other short video, but that's the rope that's the rope that the window cleaners are hanging from right there. Just a little tiny rope. There's actually two ropes right there. Then you have another bathroom here. And they were so nice. They wrote on your happy anniversary. And they brought our bag up for us. Then we have a second bathroom. A beautiful mini bar. Complimentary water and coffee. And I have to say, the second you pull into the parking lot, you're greeted with people just being super nice to you and taking you all the way up. And this room, like I said, it's a suite on the 112th floor. I bought it with World of Hyatt points, and I used 32,000 points to book this room for one night. So we got cheese plate is 40 kinds of cheese, and some built bong, which is Wagyu.
Wagyu beef, fried, I guess.
Yes, thanks for talking over me. While we were at dinner, someone came in and turned down our room for us. They got our bed ready, gave us a little bit of water, and put down the rates for it. They also dropped off a pillow mist for spraying your pillows, apparently, and a fan. It's kind of cute. That's pretty neat.
That's good.